Enter Bollywood. सब मिलेगा ZoomTV.in.
Welcome back. We are talking about one of Tinseltown's most celebrated heroes, who became an instant hit at the box office with his very first film. एक ऐसे स्टार की बात कर रहे हैं जो सिर्फ अपने डांसिंग स्किल्स और एक्टिंग प्रोवेस से नेशन के हाथ थ्रॉबी नहीं बने. His drop dead Greek god looks also has a major role to play. और इन्हीं वजह से ऋतिक रोशन आज बॉलीवुड के हॉट सेलिंग प्रॉपर्टीज में से एक हैं. ऋतिक रोशन comes from quintessential film family stock. उनके पिता हैं veteran actor and filmmaker राकेश रोशन और उनकी मदर पिंकी रोशन is the daughter of the late producer director J. Om Prakash Mehra. So you could say there's pure Bollywood blood running through the actor's veins. और शायद इस वजह से डुग्गू बचपन से ही एक्टर बनना चाहते थे. So while Hrithik studied in Mumbai's most high-profile school and college, he always knew his true calling was in the world of films. For it was in 1980, जब डुग्गू सिर्फ 6 साल के थे, तब उन्होंने स्क्रीन पर अपना डेब्यू दिया as a child artist in Asha, a film that was directed by his grandfather. और इसी साल ऋतिक अपने पिता की फिल्म आपके दीवाने में भी दिखे. And 6 years later, at the age of 12, he once again did an acting stint in one of his father's films, Bhagwan Dada. And this time round, the experience was enough to seal his decision to become an actor. लेकिन डुग्गू का बचपन बाहर से जितना enviable महसूस होता है, उतना नहीं था. क्योंकि as a child, he suffered from scoliosis, a back problem, along with which Duggu also used to stammer heavily while speaking.
It took me a long time. It's been a hardest kind of struggle for someone who wants to be an actor. But I got the help at the right time. Dr. Oza was there. And now I'm here. So miracles do happen. I want to tell all the families out there, the children who are struggling and living without hope that just believe enough and look at me. You don't have to look far to find an example. I'm right here.
और स्टैमर करने के साथ-साथ डुग्गू को स्पाइनल प्रॉब्लम्स भी रहे हैं. यहाँ तक कि डॉक्टर्स उन्हें डांस करना तो दूर, दौड़ने से भी मना करते थे. So, at one point, it certainly looked that becoming a Bollywood star would always remain a distant dream for Hrithik, despite his family lineage. But with his commendable perseverance and dedication, आज वो इस मुकाम पर पहुंच गए हैं जहां देश का बच्चा इनके जैसा बनना चाहता है.
He is basically a very simple, warm and good-natured man, but with a heart of steel. And he is very determined in pursuit of excellence. Hrithik can do anything.
But his speech and spinal problems were not the only obstacles. ऋतिक रोशन एक्टर बनना चाहते थे, ये उनके फादर राकेश रोशन को मंजूर नहीं था. लेकिन ऋतिक का एक्टर बनने का सपना दिल ही दिल पनप रहा था और इस वजह से ऋतिक ने छुप कर नमित कपूर एक्टिंग क्लासेस ज्वाइन की.
He had never told his parents about training that he wants to be an actor and he came very quietly.
और जब वो ट्रेनिंग ले चुके थे, उनके डैड को इस राज के बारे में पता चला and he realized how strongly ऋतिक felt about his passion.
We did a scene from a play. It's a solo scene. So we recorded that. He took the cassette home. He showed it to Rakesh Roshan. Late night, I received a telephone and Mr. Rakesh Roshan said, Kishore ji, I never believed in training, but today I can say with lots of pride that a son was born to me today, a star is born.
Right from childhood, अगर वो कोई चीज़ लेता है, तो वो उसमें देखता है कि वो बिल्कुल टॉप के एकदम नज़दीक आने की कोशिश करता है. So that is the way he works. And I'm very proud of.
But before realizing his dream of becoming an actor, Hrithik worked with his father as an assistant. 1995 और 1997 में ऋतिक ने अपने फादर को उनकी फिल्म्स करण अर्जुन और कोयला में असिस्ट किया. And it was during the making of these films that Rakesh Roshan was also scripting for Kaho Na Pyar Hai. Interestingly, Hrithik was helping his dad write the film, unaware of the fact that Rakesh Roshan wanted him to play the main lead. जब ऋतिक को इस बात का पता चला कि उनके फादर उन्हें इस फिल्म के साथ लॉन्च करना चाहते हैं, तो he was completely taken aback. And true to his nature, उन्होंने अपने फादर से 6 महीने की मोहलत मांगी. These 6 months were to prepare himself for the film. So while his inspiration to achieve a perfect physique came from Salman Khan, that of unparalleled screen intensity came from Shah Rukh Khan. अब जहां दोनों एक्टर्स के यूएसपी को ऋतिक ने इतनी प्रोफेशनली अडेप्ट किया तो सक्सेस वाज बाउंड टू टच हिज फीट। और इसीलिए जब साल 2000 में रिलीज हुई ऋतिक की लॉन्च पैड फिल्म कहो ना प्यार है, स्टारिंग हिम इन अ डबल रोल ऑपोजिट अनदर न्यूकमर अमीषा पटेल, he became an overnight sensation. The film was a super duper blockbuster at the box office.